This is Brian McKinney and you're watching a Co-op Minute. The gift-giving season is upon us, and it is no secret that pocket knives are one of the most commonly gifted items every year. There are many different kinds of pocket knives that all serve a different purpose. You could spend a lifetime comparing the countless options, but today we will discuss the need for a number of blades. Single-bladed pocket knives. Single-bladed pocket knives have a somewhat larger blade because the focus is on one blade only. They also have a locking mechanism that enables you to use them for tasks that require a lot of force. Single-bladed knives are strong, but you don't have the luxury of using them for different types of tasks since there are only one blade. Multi-bladed pocket knives. These generally have 2 to 4 different types of blades. This makes them very convenient for a great farm knife, traveling and camping knife, as the different blades perform a wider variety of tasks. However, multi-blade knives are not as strong and long-lasting as single-bladed knives due to the extra number of blades. Multi-tool blades. This pocket knife that features other tools in addition to blades. For instance, you can have a can opener, a nail file, a pair of scissors, a corkscrew, a saw, a toothpick, tweezers, and more. It is very important to note that they are bulkier than single and multi-blade pocket knives as they carry more tools. They're especially handy for camping. Your local co-op carries knives that fall into each of these categories. If you have more questions about what knife would be perfect for you to gift someone this year, stop by your local farmer's co-op. Thanks for watching and have a great week.